farm right now. And my puppy, his puppy, last puppy, remain and all killed it to stock. We burn it, all the grass that beat the grass and all that. Let's take our bottle. Let's go, Jenny, come on. Sweetheart, sweetheart. Name free. Yeah, my English is not very good actually, but I love to speak in English, and I always read, practice, watch English videos to better my English, to make better my English, to speak better, to speak good. Oh, again, puppy's coming. It's Jenny. You want your food? Already she had your food. Now let's go. There's my bulls and the cows. I'm going.